Yes. hmm Superior Court of Guam? Yes. People versus of Guam versus Paul C. Budnick, Paul Chad Budnick? Yes. Order for dismissal and expungement? Yes. Criminal case number CM0746-11? Yes. Now, this matter came before the Honorable Michael Bardolo? Yes. hmm July 11th, 2012. Ooch. And evidence being presented to the satisfaction of the court? Yes. Now, therefore, it is ordered that this matter be and hereby is dismissed with prejudice. Record herein expunged. Yeah. Pursuant to 8 Guam Code 11.10 and 11.11. Official records of the Superior Court of Guam, the Department of Law, and Guam Police Department Police Report number 11-19918 shall be sealed to all persons outside of law enforcement agencies of the government of Guam and the federal government entitled to review such records. Yes. Now, it is further ordered that all non-contraband items which belongs to the defendant, include his passport, and which are being held pursuant to this matter, shall be returned to the defendant. Any bail posted is hereby exonerated. Yes. Now, on my 42nd birthday, there was a certification of the full and true original filed in the office of clerk of the Superior Court of Guam. Now, this was the prosecution division of the Attorney General of Guam. Probation Services Division. Defense Counsel of the probably Police Department, but I don't know what TPDSC is. You know, Public Defender's Office, right? I happened to be on trial when I got this. Yes, for the accusation of attempting to contact the petitioner. Now, this was sealed, but I'm thinking that they're going to have to review this again. Yes. The government of Guam and the federal government entitled to review such records. Now, it's possible that the individual that ordered, yes, the stipulation and order, the Superior Court, what's his name? Not Bargello. Yeah, that's the guy who signed it. Anyways, the person that issued the stipulation and order, the thought that you issued a dissolution of marriage. I think that any Superior Court judge that has the authority to issue stipulation and order. Yesterday we were talking about what if I committed a crime. Poop. They have an obligation to unseal the expungement record right now. Now, let's say, yes, that you decided that you're going to do what the law says. You're not going to make any more fake crimes. Yes, where there's a fake victim and a fake perpetrator. Yes. You're not going to arbitrarily decide to jail individuals because you have a dislike of them. Yes. You're not going to issue any more court orders where there's fraud, felony. Yes. And then the fraudulent statement. Now, there is this real possibility that I get to have you put in prison. Poop. And I'm kind of wanting to do that today. Yes. So if you and the police department could realize, right, that we need to unseal. Let's say you're a Superior Court judge. What individual can unseal any expungement record of any? Well, if you have the authority, yes, to contempt somebody for disobeying a court order of Washington State, and you didn't issue the court order according to the requirements of the regulations of the state of Washington, yes. Does any Superior Court judge have the right to unseal their expungement records of an individual? Yes, because they're the one that signed the stipulation and order. Right. Now, do they need to do that? Considering the number of times that you've arrested me for the accusation of violating your fraudulent protection order right now. Does anybody in the police want to explain what you're doing today? What are you doing? You know, the one individual, yes, I would think, yeah, that can enforce their own stipulation and order, yes, is the Superior Court judge that signed the stipulation and order, yes, that told me to obey Washington state court orders. Now, even if the individual's in retirement right now, what makes you think that they're going to allow for you to kidnap?